Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump into today. Today I have something real good for you guys. If you want this recipe is back when I made the Coney Island chili dog, my own special recipe. Okay, these are all the ingredients that's in there. So if you want these ingredients, you have to go back there and look at that. I'll put the link down below. And I got some foot-long hot dogs. So with these foot-long hot dogs, I'll be making you one of the best ever foot-long chili cheese dog in my kitchen and oh my god, it's gonna be delicious. So saying that to say this, I couldn't find no foot-long buns, fam. So what I'm gonna do is just stack them together, you know, put them side by side, and we'll do them like that, okay? So stay tuned in, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I got these foot-long hot dogs. They are done, and the bread, I'll show you how I did the bread, so you guys make it look like a a foot-long bread. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start doing these chili cheese dogs. Make sure you guys go over there for you know how to make these chili recipe. It's no joke, I do make a lot of money from these in my town. I'm quite sure it'll be all over after a while. These are beef hot dogs as well. Make sure it looks decent. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Now it's optional. Do you want onions or cheese or whatever? Take you some onions. Some onions on there. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to just take us some mustard. Just like that. Now this one, get everything. Now if you want to, you can put relish. Some people put ketchup on theirs. I don't see the sense in it, but you know, hey, everybody got their own different flavors. But this by itself, I assure you, it's going to be award-winning once it get out there. I guarantee you that. This chili is off the chain. It took me about, I don't know, about 3 years to come up with this recipe. And it's like 19 ingredients that goes into it. So we just take us some cheese. Put the cheese over here. Just like that. Alright. Move this out the way. And there it is, guys, right there. The best ever chili cheese dog that you will ever taste in your life. I guarantee you. Get this onion up off of there. Put that over here somewhere. And that's it. Alright. So let me show you what I did with the bread. If you want to make your foot-long bread, You need 4 of them, or if you want to make one, just use one. This is what I did. Took my bread with my knife, and I just cut the tips off like this. Just like that, okay? So we know we want to connect these together, right? So we just cut this one. Just like that. Just so simple. Just so simple. You go like this. Just like that. And you connect them just like this, guys. That's all you're doing. Just like that. And that's how you get it. That's how you get it, the bun. Just like that. Okay? Flip this one around. Set that one up just like this. And then I get my dogs. These the foot long ones. Just place them in there like that. Just like that, guys. Okay? That's it for me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a like, a share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And tell all your friends and family to go tune into VELDOGG Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. See you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Let's get cooking.